Hey everyone, welcome back to my Dev Web App channel. Today I'll show you 10 projects that you can implement to improve your front-end skills. You can use just HTML, CSS and JavaScript, or you might use some framework like React, Angular or Svelte. In the description I provided links to my YouTube videos where I implemented those projects. I used mostly React, but some projects were implemented in HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Each video contains a link to the source code. If you face some difficulties, you can check my videos or source code. The first project is Tic-Tac-Toe game. And let's take a look at the design. As you can see, we have board game and also header and next player text and restart button. You can start with creating a board for the game and adding elements. And I added 3 by 3 squares, but you can add some settings and make like 5 by 5 or more, but it will be more complicated. And then you can implement game logic. And now I'm going to press on some square. And as you can see, now we have next player O, and the square has X. And now I'm going to press here. And as you can see, we have next player X, and we have O here. And let me add more elements. And as you can see, we have winner, and winner is O. And now I can restart, and X is starting the game, and you can play again. And this time winner is X, and you can restart the game again. The second project is to-do list application. Initially, I have input and button, and now I can provide some task like learn HTML and add task. And let me provide something like learn CSS, add task, and also learn JavaScript, add task, and also learn, let it be Java, and also learn React and add task. And by pressing on task, I can make it completed, and pressing against makes it incompleted again. And let me complete learn HTML, learn CSS, learn JavaScript, and then I decided that some task is not needed here, and I can remove it by pressing X, and also complete and incomplete. And you can see then when I refresh the page, my list is here, and that's because I use local storage and save my data into local storage. And let's check. I can open my application and check local storage. And as you can see, we have to-dos here, and we have all to-dos. I can mark incomplete and add some task like learn not and add task. And as you can see, we have task in our to-dos in local storage, and refresh the page. The next project is a quiz application. As you can see, I have a question and several possible answers. And I can select some, but then I decided to select first answer, and now I can submit. And as you can see, I have this in green, and my score was changed. And when I press next, I see the next question, and I have question 2 of 10, and now I can select some answer, submit, and now correct answer is green, but my answer was wrong, and I can pass the quiz till the end, and submit, and also submit, and let's try again and again. And now I see you finished the quiz and my score, and I can restart. And restart just updates my score and question first. Project 4 is a portfolio website. You can think about design and add several pages like home, about, projects, and add some cool descriptions and your projects with links. And my portfolio website is still in progress. And the project 5 is contact us form I have on in the portfolio project. And we have two inputs and one text area and submit button. And I can provide some name and also I have validation and I can provide some email and I need to provide correct email at gmail.com and some message hello and now when pressing submit this message will be sent to my email address and I see thank you for your message. Project 6 is sign in, sign up forms. And as you can see, I have the form and several items. And I need to provide username, email, password, and confirm password. And also I have validation. If I just press sign up, it shows me that I need to provide username. Let it be John and email, and I need to provide correct email at gmail.com and password will be 1 and also 1 and I need to provide at least 6 characters. Let me add 6 characters and also here and passwords do not match. Let me provide correct password and now I can sign in and I'll provide some email like John and I need to provide correct email at gmail.com and now I need to provide password. Also I can select remember me and also have forgot password and now I can sign up and I have only front-end logic and don't send the data to backend and also I can change form to sign up and from sign up I can change to login now. Project 7 is mortgage calculator. As you can see, I have 4 input fields and I need to provide some details, some numbers as home price and let's try calculate and as you can see I have validations that I need to provide down payment and interest rate and loan terms. And now I can press calculate and as you can see I have calculated values for monthly payment, total loan payment and total interest payment. The next series of projects will be with the API calls and I have crypto prices project and I have API call to an endpoint and then I just provide data in the table. And as you can see, I have 100 coins and just show rank, name, symbol, price in USD and change for 24 hours. The project 9 is a Disney character. As you can see, I have a list of Disney characters and the endpoint returns me cat and let me open developer tools and to go to network tab and now I want to search for dog and as you can see I have a response and I can check the data and I retrieved the values for dog and let me provide dog. Okay, and I have one more response and I got dog and now I can provide again dog and this time the values were retrieved from the memory and I have done the query and implemented caching and storing in memory and you also can think about that and let me provide some rock and this time request was made And if I provide duck, I get value from my memory, from the memory, and also dog from memory. And if I provide prints, then I'll retrieve the data from API. The project 10 is a weather application, and let me show you how it works. And initially, I need to allow geolocation, and I'll do it. And as you can see, I got weather for current location, and I can provide the city and press search, and I got a weather for the provided city. And now I'm going to open developer tools and network and check city for London. And as you can see, I got two responses from weather and from forecast. And now I can check Berlin again. And this time I don't have responses because the app took data from memory, and I'm using Stack query here. And let me provide data for Madrid. And this time response was made. And now I can close this panel. And also I can change units. I can change it to Fahrenheit. And now I can change it back to Celsius and to Fahrenheit. And also I can change the mode to dark and back. And also I implemented storing the state into local storage, and when I refresh the page, I see my previous mode. And let me check some city. And as you can see, I have the data in Fahrenheit. And also I have some links here. And that's all that I had for today. If you like the video, subscribe to my Dev Web App channel, like the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.